Hey guys, I just wanted to pop on here and throw out this quick video. It has come to my attention that we finally hit 1,000 followers on the page. I was just browsing this morning and just got the notification. I want to thank you guys so much for following along all of the crazy DIY automotive repair videos that I've put out over the last 5 to 10 years. The channel is a bit sporadic, but I believe we're going to make a big push for all of the fun projects that I have right now ongoing. I'm literally sitting here editing a video on my Volvo S60R, but I wanted to take a minute and thank you guys so much for the 1,000 followers. It really means a lot to me and all of the crazy stuff that I've done over the years. So if I've helped you, if I have somehow sparked interest in automotive repair or anything like that, please leave it down in the comments. I want to hear all of the cool stories. If I have helped you, if not, I'm okay with that too. Thank you guys for watching. I've already grabbed myself a celebratory drink. But again, thank you guys so much. This means so much to me. I know it may seem like a small goal, but it's one of the very first milestones we've had on the channel. So thank you and cheers.